Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an exciting tutorial for you all. We're diving into how to get the 8 Ball Pool hack for iOS and Android. No keys required, no need for Scarlet or eSign if you're in iOS. It's super easy to set up, and I promise you it'll only take about 2 to 3 minutes of your time. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be ready to roll. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Personally, I'll be using Safari for this, but don't worry. It works with any browser you prefer. Next, head to the website where we'll grab the 8 Ball Pool hack. I'll drop the link on the screen for you. Once you're there, search for 8 Ball Pool, and it should pop right up at the top of a list. Let you see the buttons asking you to choose your device type. I'm going to choose iOS. The download, once you've done that, the download will start automatically. Now, here's the catch. If the website is busy or that's high traffic, you might be asked to complete a quick human verification step. This usually involves completing 2 simple offers, like installing an app or answering a short survey. My advice? Go for the ones marked with the easy icon to save time. Once the download is finished, you're all set to enjoy 8 Ball Pool with the mud menu and long lines, and you'll have everything you need to dominate your games effortlessly. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a sub, and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.